How's it going, guys? I'm here with another Tommy Tutor game update. Hope everybody is excited. I know that I am because I made some really excellent progress today on something I talked about yesterday that I wanted to accomplish this weekend, and I ended up accomplishing it today. So let me go ahead and show you. So my copy of the game goes right into the game. It bypasses the menu. Anyway, so if you notice up here on the top, up on the left-hand side, it tells you the cash, how much cash you have, which is $40. Right now, full disclaimer, that does not change yet. On the right-hand side, it says Euclid Street. And what I wanted to do and what I accomplished was when you move, it will kind of tell you where you're at. It will tell you where you're at. I just haven't defined every single place on the map yet. So here we are in Euclid Street, and then we walk up, and then if I take a left-hand turn, oh, here I am on East 10th Street. You can also go into other areas, like for example, this street, I haven't named it yet. Well, it's not even a matter of naming it. I haven't configured it to be named because actually I'm using actual names from the streets in Tucson near Euclid Street where Tommy lives. So here's Tommy's house right here, this greenhouse, and it says up on the right-hand side, it says home. And then, he lived for a long time on Euclid Street. Then if you go to East 10th and you take a left and you go over, this little green area here is Iron Horse Park, as it says. You go up to the north part of the map. Here we go. It just says gym show. I don't know. Maybe there's a part of Tucson where they have a gym show. Is there another park or area? Maybe somebody can tell me if there, a proper name for that. Another thing you can do with this is so over here I just have a random house, but then it says dumpster. So you could have a secret dumpster with some secret artifacts in it or whatever. Who knows? But that is what I accomplished. So again, this map is really, really big. I'm still undecided on whether or not to shrink it. And the next thing I want to accomplish, which I'm going to start on tomorrow, so I want to make it so that he can't walk just anywhere on the map. This is water. You don't want to be able to walk on water, and things like that. So you don't want to walk on top of houses and things. So I need to be able to, I need to add some restrictions as to where he can and cannot walk. But look at this. Look at this vast open space I've created with this map that is just freaking huge. And I don't know if I need to shrink the map or if I should just fill it up with content. The problem with that is it's going to take a long time to fill it with content because I'm not an artist. And frankly, I find creating these little tents and everything like that, I find that task pretty boring. So if there's somebody who wants to actually take up that task and do that work, I am happy to give you some guidance on how to do it or what needs to be done, and I will use whatever you come up with. But otherwise, because I know most of you are lazy bastards, more than likely it will be left up to me to fill the content. So I make no guarantees of how long it will take. But anyway, I'm quite happy that that the labels now show as to where you are on the map. Another thing I did was the debug screen. This is just something for myself. You can now turn it on and off, and it just shows you right now the only debug information I have. It just shows you the actual location on the map, which is handy. Is there anything else? Let me look here. Let me look and see if there's anything else that I did today that I would like to share. I know I did why is this so slow? Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. Let's see. So today, what did I do? I refactored some of the view behavior. Oh, that's right. I did fix some of the... So I think last night I had a bug. If you walked all the way to the edge of the screen, the view got all screwed up. So that has been fixed. You can now walk to the edge of the screen without a problem. One thing that I'm afraid I might get sidetracked with is the logic to actually go through and say, oh, okay, you're on East 10th Street. It's not really efficient right now. I implemented that in a very naive and inefficient way, which it doesn't make a big difference right now, but when I start adding more stuff to the game, it possibly could make a difference. So I may get sidetracked and go through and try and make that as efficient as I possibly can. But that shouldn't take more than a day. So we'll see, but here's where we're at so far. If you have any suggestions, let me know. And yes, I know everybody has suggestions about, magic hobo potions and shit like that, but that's just content suggestions, which, okay, that's fine. I need those too. But if you have any other like gameplay suggestions or anything, other than like, oh, he needs some magic weed that gives him superpowers and a magic vagina or whatever, I don't care. I don't care. You can slap content on top of it, any engine, and I don't know. I'm going on a tangent, but anyway, that is where we are at with the game. So I hope you enjoy. I'll have another update tomorrow, and well, maybe not tomorrow, but at some point soon, and I will talk to you then. All right, thanks for watching, and goodbye.